Hi everybody. Today's video I'm going to do a swipe and swirl with some pretty orange, red, with my yellow base paint, purple, and yeah, I want to see how those colors come out. Should be pretty. Come and join me. Hi everybody. I'm going to do a swipe on my pretty yellow background color, my eggshell. I'm going to use, this is a golden teal. I'm trying out some golden paints. I haven't used golden paints very much. This is another golden. It's red, teal, red. This is a Grumbacher purple. And I think I need another lighter color. Maybe I'll put some of this fairy floss in here. All right, so then I've got these two mixed up. Bright aqua green. Oh no, that's my bright aqua green. Okay. Just gonna run some colors down here. I'm really liking these golden fluid paints. All right, let's try a little bit of red. Oh, I think I went a little bit too wild there. Wide, I mean. A little bit of purple. This is just a 6x6 tile, I think. I do my experimenting on. Maybe I'll try a little bit of pink and then that's good. A little bit of fairy floss in my life. Do, 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 do. This is this little piggy's fairy floss. I probably have too much paint on for this little tile. Now, should I use white Cell Activator? Yeah. I think I'll use white. going to use this big one, so I'm going to go. I wish I had a bigger one. I thought I had a bigger one, but I couldn't find it. Oh, I'll come across it when I don't need it. Usually give my Cell Activator a good stir before I use it. All right, let's try this. Whoa. I didn't get too much there, did I? Jeez, I got more cells on my napkin. I think I'll go right down the middle with this one. Oh, I'm not very in the middle, am I? The Cell Activator on here. Wow, that's pretty. Let's see if I can get. Well, there wasn't a lot going on in the middle. Let me give it a spin. the colors are very pretty. I don't like that. There. Just wondering if it'll... I can do another one here. Well, I'll do my swirlies in the middle. All right, let's do this. La 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 in my life. Do 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 can. Okay. It's pretty. I think I'm gonna lift it up, take the napkin away, because it's very messy. There was wet paint under there. I do like these colors together, and I do like the yellow background. The pink and the red look nice with the turquoise and the purple. Yes, I'm happy with these colors. Let's set this down on something. There. One day I'm going to try one with more swirls in the second row and see what happens. Okay. Have a good day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Thanks for watching my video. I'll put the dried result at the end. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And comment below. Let me know what you think. Ask me a question. Thanks. Hi everybody, here's my dried tile. It dried really nice. It's got a pretty nice shine there. I think it's a little tacky in the middle, but it's drying perfectly. Look at those awesome cells. And my pretty swirls. Pretty colors too. Thanks for watching and have a good day, everyone.